Today I'm reviewing another product I received through Amazon Vine. As always, these are items sent to me to test and share my honest experience. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This is a Hamilton Beach Advanced FlexBrew 5-in-1 thermal coffee maker. And the reason they call this one thermal is because of this right here. So this model comes with the stainless steel thermal carafe, which is a big upgrade from the older version that uses a glass carafe. This one is nice and heavy, and it keeps coffee hot and fresh for much longer without needing a heating plate. The lid locks, which I really like, so you can unlock it to pour, close it back up, lock it again, and it slides right back into place. Now over here is the water reservoir. And one thing I really appreciate is that the 60-ounce reservoir can be positioned either on the back or on the side, depending on how your space is set up. I actually have a separate video showing you how to reposition this reservoir. With this size reservoir, you can brew up to 12 cups in the thermal carafe or several single cups without constantly refilling. So you can make single serve hot coffee, choose between regular or bold, and brew 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces using either ground coffee or a K-cup pod. You also have an iced coffee option, which is single serve and goes up to 14 ounces. And there's a thermal carafe mode where you can brew 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12 cups. Again, choosing between regular or bold strength using ground coffee. There's also an auto brew and timer feature, so you can wake up to either a single cup or a full carafe already brewed. The touchscreen is very easy to use. Everything is controlled through this LED touchscreen. It's easy to see your settings. Now I'm going to make a cup so you can see it in action, and I'm going to choose single serve, 8 ounces, and bold. My favorite features is that the screen actually shows how many ounces that have already been brewed. So if you're using a smaller cup, you can keep an eye on it and stop if needed. This machine is fast too, so a single cup brews in under 2 minutes, which is great for busy mornings. This is a really versatile coffee maker, saves space, gives you multiple brewing options, and the thermal carafe is a huge plus compared to the older glass version.